Hello, everyone. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Jessica, and today we have an exciting announcement about the Cherry Box.
Cherry Box. Yes. So, as you know, this has been our monthly subscription box for what, like 5 years? 5 years now.
5-year birthday coming up.
This has been really fun putting together every month, but we are going to be making a change.
And we're very excited about it.
Yes.
And we are changing it from a monthly paper crafting subscription to a quarterly.
Yes. So you'll get 4 a year.
And we'll break them up by the seasons. So coming up, we have the spring box, and then we'll have a summer box, a fall box, and a winter box.
Yeah, so now this way, this breaks up the year so you'll have more time for each box. There'll be more time for us too to make projects for each box. You'll see a lot of projects on the blog, on our Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, so there's a lot of benefits to doing quarterly. We have heard some feedback of people have not had enough time to use all the products in a box, which totally get.
Yeah, we really,
it's two of us using one box.
Yeah, we try to put as much product into the box as we can.
Yeah.
It's just so you can be inspired to make many projects.
Yeah, so this is, it's a change, but it's a good change. We'll go over all the details too with you, and then we will be unboxing the next box, the spring box, which I guess, we're not going to call it by month anymore.
Yeah.
Like the March box.
Yeah, so this will be the spring 2024 Cherry Box.
Yes. Okay, so let's make sure we go through all the details. We have this on a blog post. You'll see it all. Some things that will stay the same. You'll still get a variety of products. Get to try stuff out.
We'll still pick some new things that you maybe not have tried before, like some different mixed media, but then also mixed in with the products we know you love, like 12 by 12 paper, ephemera, stickers, and it'll be different every quarter.
I know, we have
every
to
month.
Ourselves. We're so ingrained to saying month.
Yeah.
So if we do say that, sorry.
So the products will be from a range of manufacturers.
Some new, some old. It kind of depends on the quarter, not month.
So just like how we've been doing with our Cherry Box, it'll be like that, just quarterly.
Yeah. You will still be able to earn Cherry points. There will still be sneak peeks and unboxing videos, so watch for those. So what will be different about these quarterly boxes is that there will be more product in these boxes, and the price will be increased to $50. But this will include free domestic shipping.
And if you are international or local pickup, you get a discount on the shipping.
Yep. And the subscription options, we used to have like the 4, monthly and 3 months and year. There's
too many options.
Too many options. We are going simpler. Yes. One subscription option, just
so you subscribe quarterly, and you can still pause your subscription, cancel your subscription, all of that in your account.
Spring box will be sent out beginning of March, and then the summer box will be sent out the beginning of June, the fall box in the beginning of September, and the Christmas winter box in December.
And if you have any questions, just leave a comment and we'll get back to you.
Yeah, so now we are going to unbox the spring Cherry Box. I want to call it the March. It's just being sent out in March,
And you'll still be able to subscribe throughout the spring months.
Yeah.
So if you don't subscribe right now or right when it first comes out, you still have the chance to subscribe.
Yep.
And start your Cherry Box subscription.
Yes. The only thing is to remember that
there's a
chance that we would run out, like you wouldn't get it.
Yeah.
So if you are very, very sure you want this, it's better to subscribe earlier.
Yes.
Okay, so let's unbox this.
Let's go.
Okay.
So the spring Cherry Box.
So this will be sent out the first week of March. You will be billed on February 26th. Is that the day?
25th? No, well, yeah, it's like 6 a.m.
We know all the
26th.
We promise.
But
yeah. Okay. Let's just open it.
Just subscribe.
Here we go.
Okay. So
beautiful.
What should we go in first?
Okay, we have to go right into these.
Okay.
Stencil butters. If you've never tried these before, now is the time.
And I love that we're adding 2 stencil butters
Mm-hmm.
into this because they are so magical when you smear them together, and especially
Yes,
these 2 colors, like when you
they go
pick
really well.
2 colors that just look nice
And
together.
these are great spring colors. This is the green pear and the sunshine. So it's like a texture paste, but it's very smooth, buttery.
Yes.
You'll
And
still get
there's
some dimension.
there's also like a little glisten to it.
Mhm.
If you have not used them, you're in for a treat.
Yes, we are sorry if we get you addicted to them.
Yes.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. You're welcome.
Yes.
With them, you'll also receive a palette knife. So this is what you would use to apply it, smooth it across your stencil.
You could also use your finger or a paintbrush, but most of the time we use a palette knife.
Yeah, it just works really well.
Mhm.
And then speaking of stencils, you'll also receive 2 stencils.
Mhm.
You'll have a slimline and a 6x6 stencil.
Yeah, those would be
So
really
these
fun.
are the designs. It's like this little, I think it could be petals or raindrops or
Watermelon seeds.
watermelon seeds.
I don't know. That's
or
what
little
my mind went to.
bumblebees.
Oh yeah, that'd be cute.
And
Or
then,
just like a background.
and then
yeah.
this like folk art flower repetitive floral
Yeah.
design.
Yeah, those would look really nice
Yeah.
for cards, layouts, art journal, whatever you want. Okay, then we have a stamp by Catherine Pooler. This
Love.
does not say the name.
I think it's a folk,
here it is. It's
folk
a folk
flower
folk floral background
background
stamp. This one's really pretty. You can see that. Really great for backgrounds.
Yeah. Also from Catherine Pooler, we have the Lima Sequin Mix. Open it up here.
Aren't those so pretty?
Look at these. Very pretty.
Very springy.
Yeah.
Perfect to add to whatever.
Reds.
Cards, layouts.
Red's peachy, golden yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Really nice mix. I love their mixes.
Can you get them all back in?
I will. I'll get in there.
Okay. And then look at all this spring goodness
The
here.
spring vibes.
Spring Vibes by Pink Fresh Studio. You have enamel dots, which are, I love these, especially when you think like your layout or card is done, but it just needs a little
needs a
something
little bit.
extra.
Yeah.
These are it.
Then there's some title ephemera.
I love those.
This, once I started using these, because they have a few different with a few of their collections, this is like just what I use for cards.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
And they're
Why
really
make
nice.
your
Like,
own? And when it's just
it's
there,
done.
it's done. I love it.
And actually, a lot of these sayings are really great for scrapbook.
Mm-hmm.
Also, like our family, soak in the spring,
Yes.
all of us together,
Sweet home, sweet home.
love,
cherish
beautiful.
this. Yeah.
little
very
moments of
versatile.
joy. And some of them have the silver foil
Yes. Love
on
that.
there.
Love that.
Love those.
Okay, and then we have these wood accent are they
Stickers.
stickers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at those. Aren't those fun? So gives you a bit of dimension. Really cute. Be really cute on a card. Or layout, whatever you want.
Yep.
Very fun.
And then if you're like me, you cannot have enough florals.
Never.
So some floral ephemera, and the whole pack is flowers and leaves. Love.
That's all I need.
That's
Just
love.
love. I don't need
just
anything else.
That's my layout.
Just that.
Just that.
Okay, then we have the journaling bits. So this comes with some different tags, kind of like some envelope kind of things.
And they're like actual pockets you
Yeah.
can put things in. Like they have like little pockets.
I
They're
really
just
like this
cute.
one. Isn't that
Yeah.
cute?
Another one I love to use is these frames, and I like layering them up and making like a grid layout.
Yeah, those are really cute.
Nice. Got some circles, some little embellishments.
I really love the palette of this too.
Yeah, it's nice.
springy, but it's not like bright in your
Yeah.
face. It's a little bit more muted spring color palette. Really beautiful greens in here, and a little touch of pink and blue.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I
The
really like the greens.
Bright yellow,
Mhm.
really pretty. And then of course we got the 12 by 12 collection pack.
I love this side.
Cute.
Isn't that
I
cute?
love that. Some stripes are
Love
cute.
that green.
I really like the colors
I like
in
the
all of
words.
this. Yeah. Ooh,
Ooh.
these are both just nice backgrounds.
How would you choose which side to use?
I don't
I love
know.
them both.
Yeah. Some cool textures, circles, ooh, hearts. Very spring.
Mm-hmm. And also versatile too.
Yeah.
Like you don't have
Yeah,
to use
really.
this for spring.
It's like
Look at this
it
pink
could be
stripe.
everything.
That is so cute. And it's so simple, but I love it.
And some nice clear skies, warm days,
There's
full
always
heart.
a reason to smile. Good days ahead.
Happy little memories. Ooh, I like it.
I like it. Using it.
I already called it.
No! Ooh, I like
Ooh,
that too.
You can call that one.
Okay.
I'll call the other one.
We're gonna fight over this box.
Oh, I also like the I
Look
like
at this green.
I like the painty look.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
And it's just like a smidge of paint. It's not
Yeah.
like super mixed media
Mhm.
look. It's just a little touch here and there. Love the florals too. Okay, so we're gonna put everything back in the box so you look at it again.
Look.
12 papers. The journaling bits.
The chipboard frames,
The wood accent stickers.
some floral ephemera,
The enamel dots.
the title ephemera,
Catherine Pooler background stamp.
Catherine Pooler sequins,
2 stencils from Crafters Workshop. Crafters Workshop.
palette knife,
To go with the 2 stencil butters. All right, that is the
spring cherry
box.
box.
I almost said March. I almost did. It's gonna be hard for us to not say the month.
Just
that
give us
comes
a
out
couple quarterlies and
Give us a couple quarterlies.
and we'll
Give us
get
half
with
a
it.
year. We'll get it. We'll get it down
6
next
months.
year. Yes. Okay. So, like what we usually like to do with these kind of videos is give one of these cherry boxes away. So we're going to ask a question and you're going to leave a comment with the answer. And the question is, what will you do with these supplies, all these products in here? Would you make maybe a spring layout? Are you going to make some cards? Maybe something for your art journal?
There's a lot
you
of
could do.
products in here to
You can make quite a few projects. Yeah.
I feel like you could easily make like a handful of layouts, a bunch of cards, and maybe even a mini album.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And then like the mixed media things just go on for
They just go on forever.
like they just
this
go
will
on.
last you a while.
Yes.
These 2 tubs, yeah, they do last a while. I love those.
Yeah. Make sure to subscribe and you won't want to miss it.
You don't want to miss it.
It's really full with a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And we're very excited about it.
Yes. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
No.
So what will be different about these quarterly boxes?
To one
Video about
the cherry
the
box. And I'm Jessica.
And today we are
We are.
Hello everyone. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Jessica. And today we are showing some fun changes. Well, we're not showing. We're like just
we're not going to show you.
We're going to
talk about it.
We're going to talk and show.
A lot of the same stuff is staying same.
Mm-hmm. It'll still be the cherry box.
Words are hard.